Earlier this week, we had some crazy storms roll through Cincinnati, and a lot of people lost power for over 24 hours. And I had two clients yesterday call and ask about spoiled food. So they had to throw food out that was in their refrigerator and their freezer. And my advice to them was, well, yeah, it can be covered under your homeowner's insurance policy, but typically you've got a $1,000 deductible. So if you got a $1,000 deductible and both people, the amount of the food that was spoiled was about $300. So, you know, it fell under their deductible. It didn't make sense to file a claim for that. Now, if you had other damages as a result of the storm, and part of that was the food spoilage, and you had maybe electronics that were fried or something like that when we had the power surge, then my advice would be a little bit different, depending on the amount of the damage. But yeah, it was crazy. So we had, lots of people had trees that were uprooted, and this tree in our backyard was pretty tall. Yeah, felt like it was bending in half, but luckily it's still standing today. But I did have, some people had trees that fell and luckily didn't fall on their home or on their deck or on a fence. So in that case, it's not covered under your homeowner's insurance policy.